Hey guys, back here with the the 98 XK8. Here's some custom stuff that I've done. You might like it. It's got the got LED lights on the back trunk with the logo imprinted on the carpet. Got it from Cars Motorsports in Fayetteville, Georgia. And it's a kit. You can make it, and you give you glue and everything, and you wrap your existing liner. Another thing I got that attached to my light. When you open up the door, you got the logo light there that comes on. Something like that. You got to wrap it yourself. You got to glue it on there with high temp glue that they supply. And that's about it. Hope you like it.